Hey guys, this is Simi and welcome back to Food Utopia. My YouTube channel has hit its 1-year mark and this was not possible without any of you. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos and liking, sharing and subscribing. I really appreciate it. I also want to thank my parents because my dad always helps me film my videos and both my mom and dad help me create my recipes and give me ideas. To celebrate this occasion, we will be making an eggless chocolate chip mug cake. This tastes really amazing. It is the perfect recipe if you are craving a chocolatey snack. So without further ado, let's get baking. To make this recipe, we will need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter that is melted, 1.5 tablespoons of milk, 3.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate. You can use whatever type of chocolate you want, so you can use milk, dark, or semi-sweet, but I recommend milk or semi-sweet. To start making this mug cake, you will take a large mug and you will add in the sugar, the milk, and the melted butter, and you will whisk these together. After mixing those together, you will add in the flour, the vanilla extract, the baking powder, and the salt. You will mix these together and then you will add in the chocolate chips and you will fold them into the mug cake batter. And then to the top of the mug, you will add on some chocolate chips. This is optional, but it just adds a more chocolatey and gooey texture to the top. And then you will microwave this for 1 minute. If needed, you can microwave it in 15-second intervals for extra time. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.